Yeah?
When they walk by and see this, what's the first thought that goes in their mind?
Well, their first thought is probably, how did he drive that car up here? What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name's Damon Fryer. This is my friend Dave. We're on Mount Washington Alpine Resort in the Comox Valley. We brought our families. This is like a little 3-day staycay. We've rented a cabin or chalet, if you want to call it that. We've got my Huracan, and we're gonna go play in the car for a little bit until I'm taking my daughters out snowboarding this afternoon. So let's put some heat in the engine.
The stop sign.
Stop sign's seen better days. So let's go this way. I have no idea what's out this way. Guess we'll find out.
I don't know. Hopefully a big parking lot.
What's your
I
name?
need to park right in front of this red truck. I'm Connor's business partner, Jeff, man, with Troublemakers.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Never got to meet you that day.
Is there
going?
anywhere around here that we could like spin around and have some fun?
Lot 4, man, lot 4. If you head all the way up to the top,
Yeah.
and then there'll be, it'll say upper lot's full, and then I'll have a sign to the right. There's a whole bunch of space there. Go have a donut or two.
Yeah.
Mount Washington, man. Yeah. Gotta love it.
Appreciate you watching the channel.
I love it, man. It's awesome.
Well, you'll be in
And I
the...
like seeing you get your fly ride all dirty. It's like everyone's so, you know,
Oh yeah, people are looking at us like we're nuts right now.
well, you are.
Yeah, it's actually
we
true.
love you a
It's
little
true.
bit,
It's
a
true.
little bit,
It's
yeah.
true. We guys showed the guys a quick view of this because this is insane.
Go for it. You can do the whole loop around.
All right.
Cheers,
Thanks.
guys. Have a good day.
Where can we park here for 2 seconds?
Yeah, you can park right behind my truck here.
I'll do it.
You remember me, do you? Oh, from Cactus Club.
Yeah.
I remember you.
I was just watching your channel last night.
You had good timing.
Hey man, what's up?
That's Damon.
Hey, how's it going?
Bradley, nice to meet you.
Hi,
it going?
I'm Alex.
Hey Alex, how you doing?
Good.
We
I
came
heard
to
you
get...
coming.
You heard it? Yeah.
I was like, oh, I hear it. Bradley, where is it?
We get that quite a bit.
Yeah, I
We
bet.
came to
That's awesome.
get a wicked view of Mount Albert Edward in the
It's
background and like
amazing.
all of this.
I know.
And then I was just finding out that we can go up just past lot 4 and do some donuts. There's apparently snow up on that lot.
That's
So,
awesome.
yeah.
Yeah, he just loves it a little bit.
It's cool. It's cool to see on any city street, but to see it up here, like out of its element.
Okay, we're gonna grab some to
So
eat. Thanks
awesome,
for fun
brother.
to meet you,
Hey,
man.
good to meet
Cheers,
you.
guys. Have fun up there.
Wow. Yes. That's awesome.
We both work at Cactus Club, and we were in working one day when you had the 458 outside.
Yeah. Oh, the 458.
Yeah.
Is this
No,
a
that
different
was-
bin though? Because I thought you got the
Yeah. What happened to your other
the
one?
sticker on it.
Oh yeah, I put a
Yeah.
decal on that said Lamborghini,
Yeah.
and then that one got
Exploded.
destroyed at 175 miles an hour in Nevada. So then I got the entire same setup all over again.
Nice.
Just put it back on. Yeah. We'll be right back. I'm just gonna get this shot of the mountains. I gotta get this. You guys, so at the base of Mount Washington is the entry to, one of the entries to Strathcona Park. It's a beautiful park here on Vancouver Island. And it's a place that a lot of people do summer and like all season backpacking and camping. I've done myself a bunch of 4-season like winter camping out here in the middle of winter. And this mountain I've climbed, it took 4 days. And it's this one that has this really sharp peak up here, and I'm gonna show you. Dude, can you imagine driving that? That'd be so much fun. So this pointy mountain right out there is Mount Albert Edward.
And you climbed that?
I have hiked from down here all the way out there, all the way up, it actually you have to go left, out behind this mountain, around and up that ridge.
You're kidding.
I have pictures somewhere to prove it with a buddy of mine, Ron.
That's crazy.
Madness. I was big into wanting to do a lot of mountaineering and ice climbing and all that outdoor adventure stuff when I was younger. Then I had kids.
Yeah. Yep.
I had the ambition to climb Everest one day. Not anymore.
No.
It's funny how your priorities change.
All right.
The hunt's on for lot 4, turn right. He said that's where we can do donuts. And I have him on camera saying that, so
Where's
if we
lot-
get in trouble,
Where's lot 4?
we gotta go up by the lodge.
I wasn't paying attention to anything, so
Yeah.
I trust you.
I have a good idea of where it is.
How do you want?
Yeah, how you guys doing?
Good. Jump in there, man.
Where are you guys from?
Dad'll get a picture with you. Victoria.
Victoria?
There you go. You can look over at us and look like you're driving it. That's awesome.
Bad.
There you go.
That's cool.
What do you think? Those snow tires look like 4x4
Oh, yeah.
tires. What was your name?
Dave.
Dave, Dana.
Nice to meet you.
guys. What was your name, buddy?
His name's David too.
I'm Dave as well. No lie.
Awesome, man.
It's perfect.
Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you.
See you guys. Have a great day.
Yeah. Enjoy your time. I think we found lot 4.
I think so. This spot looks dope. Look at the backdrop, bro.
Yeah, it's
Those are
crazy.
clouds.
Yeah, there he is. Probably close it for us. Some pylons.
We'll put the drone up too in a minute. This is epic. You want to do a couple in here with me?
Yeah.
Then we'll get the exterior shots. We gotta find fairly smooth stuff because we're 2
Yeah,
inches
you
off
can see.
the
You can
ground.
see right in here. There's a big dip.
Is there?
Just want to avoid that.
In the dip. We're in the dip again. We came out here to play, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Snowy donuts. They're never fast when you're in a rear-wheel drive car, but they're good.
Yeah,
They're satisfying, you know? Like donuts and coffee, donuts for breakfast, donuts up a mountain,
Every day.
donuts with frosting.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sprinkles.
Sprinkles, baby. Woo! Loving life. Okay, we'll have to lift it to get out of here. So what you don't realize in all those donuts is, right when you thought, no, you probably thought I could do more damage, because I did. I crushed the front splitter on the opposite side. Right here.
Oh yeah.
Look. It's all cracked. It's all cracked along here now. So I pulled it up with my foot, but look. It's all good. It's all good. Let's go snowboarding. Yo, yo, yo. Ollie, you had a good time, bro?
Yeah, we're good.
All right, I'm gonna start getting ready so Mia and I can do our, we're good. You know what we can do, Mia? We can put the stuff in the car, drive 2 seconds down the road and park at the parking lot at the Hawk and get right on the chairlift and then drive back here later. Come on, dude, we're going snowboarding. Guys, this is how warm it is up here. We're gonna go snowboarding in January in nothing but, I have a t-shirt under this, a hoodie. I don't even have like long underwear or anything under these pants. I do have underwear on, but not long underwear. Did you grab your snowboard?
It's in here.
Brought it up to the cabin, unfortunately.
No way.
I'll have to run up and get it.
Oh.
I'll make you a deal. You go get it, I'll pull the car around and meet you at the bottom of the hill.
That's a great deal.
It's an awesome deal. Look how nice it is out here, you guys. Absolutely gorgeous. It's so warm, it's January. I can't even believe this. These are like spring temperatures. Hey, thanks a lot, man. My snowmobile. Oh, we got the best day, dude. I am so stoked. Okay. Boot and boot. Got this for you.
Okay.
Ready? We'll switch. Let's go hit the slopes. We'll lock up. Epicness. Look at this, guys. How's that for a backdrop? What up? We got cameras on cameras. Vlog life. Vlog life. Do it for the vlog. Do a trick for the vlog. I'm yelling at strangers. Wow, that view is insane. What? What? Do a trick for the vlog. Do it. Woohoo! Wow. We destroyed dinner. That's the aftermath of tacos.
Yeah, the lettuce.
Woo! We had a good day snowboarding. Tons of fun. What's up, baby? What's up, baby? We're probably gonna take the kids tubing tonight. I don't think we're gonna video any of that. The vlog's pretty much over. So you guys, thanks for watching. Smash that subscribe button. Throw me a thumbs up on this video. And you know we'll see you tomorrow for another adventure. Peace. Shout out to the outro squad. We got a few options now while you're here. Definitely smash the subscribe button over to your left and turn on the notification bell so you know when we drop our latest upload. Check out our merchandise on our store at dailydrivenexotics.com. Go and browse the other videos in the archived playlist or just click on the next suggested video right here and you guys keep watching my pretty face.